Good morning, Andy. I wanted to call you up and just talk with you a little bit this morning about our Courage to Ask seminar that you and I were asked to put together for Trial Lawyers College. Hey, why, when they called you and asked to come on board for this thing and put it together with me, what was it in you that made you want to take your time and put it together?
Well, I realized, I guess in part, in all honesty, that after 49 years at the bar, I still perhaps don't have the courage to be completely truthful and completely real with a jury and talking to them about money and asking them to make an award that's true justice.
Well, tell us about needing courage to do that.
Well, there are things that we all know are true. And you can say, ladies and gentlemen, it's true that this money is not going to bring back Janet's husband. He's still going to be dead. But we don't say that because we don't have the courage to say that. And if we're going to be real, if we're going to completely trust the jury, we need to at least consider the possibility that they might accept that message.
And do you think that'll actually help the jury give more money if we learn how to do that?
I hope so. I mean, what we teach at Trial Lawyers College is to be real, to trust the jury, to tell them the complete truth. And we all know that that's part of the complete truth. The money doesn't bring back the dead and it doesn't take away the pain, but we all know it. So maybe we need to at least think about trusting them enough to share that information openly with them.
And what are your thoughts about the punishment side of awarding money against a wrongdoer?
Well, my thoughts about punishment or responsibility, it's a line that we have to walk through carefully, especially in a case where you don't have egregious liability facts or punitive damages on the verdict form. But there is an accountability factor, and it's throughout all the tort law in every jurisdiction. And it's important. That's why we sequence the evidence, the opening statement, to start with the defendant. It's important to hold them responsible financially.
So part of the courage is to learn to talk about accountability, and that's different than punishment, isn't it?
It is. It's perhaps the other side of the punishment coin, but holding a company accountable for its wrongdoing and all of the harm is what the civil justice system in America is all about. It's why we're different from the rest of the world.
We represent the little guy, and we have to learn to have the courage to ask for the money to control the big guy and have justice. Andy, I'm really looking forward to doing this with you. March 25th to April 1st, out in Leavenworth, Washington, at the Sleeping Lady Mountain Resort. And I hope you all will join us.
Well, me too. I appreciate being part of it with you, Tom. We have a terrific TLC staff of volunteer lawyers. We have 4 great psychodramatists, and we're in perhaps our best venue nationally to do it. And we have a whole week to work. I'm sure I'll learn more than I'll impart in terms of knowledge, but I'm looking forward to it myself.
All right, pal. Well, I hope to see you there and see a bunch of you other folks there too. Please come join us.